Hello everyone, and welcome to or welcome back to my channel. I am Charlie Zena if this is your first time here. And guys, oh my god, it's summertime, we're in July, it's hot. Obviously natural girls are having a very hard time figuring out what we want to do with our hair. Like, the wash and goes don't last, the humidity is absurd. So I have this scarf on my head, and that is because I tried something different. I already did the style, I did not film it, but I do want to show you guys what I did and how I maintain it. So if you're interested in seeing that, then make sure you just keep on watching. What is going on here? I did boho braids in my hair. This style is about 2-3 days old. I started doing it one night, finished it the next morning, so it's about 2 or 3 days old. In my opinion, it's looking a little bit better than it did when I first put them in, because the braids were like super tight and they were a little stiff and they just weren't as fluffy. Now that I just took the scarf off and I'm taking a look at it and what it looks like today, I feel like it's super cute. So let me give you guys a whole turnaround, right? When I was looking at the tutorials on Instagram, I was like, okay, let me see how the girls do it. I mean, it's a pretty obvious, like, very intuitive style. You kind of braid it, you take a piece out, let it hang, you braid it, and you might take another piece out. So I was only taking out one piece of hair for each braid. So for example, if you see this braid here, there's just one piece that I took out. Also, let me check, okay, hang time. The benefit of this is that I do not have to worry about doing my hair every day. Like, I love that. I can kind of just get up and go. So I'm gonna refresh the whole style. I'm gonna show you guys really quickly how I do that. Hopefully it looks better by the end of this video. So first, I'm actually going to oil my scalp with some of this scalp therapy. This is from a brand called For Us Hair Skin. I'm actually gonna start from the back and oil my entire scalp. I am just gonna make sure it's rubbed in. Okay, so now that we are done treating the scalp, I'm gonna move on to the hair. So on this side, I am simply going to do 3 things. I'm gonna put some water, and then I'm going to put some of this coconut oil. It's a food grade coconut oil, but the thing about this is it's also really good for skincare and hair care. To get the curls to lock in, I'm just gonna put my Eco Styler Argan Oil Gel. I'm not drenching it in water. I just want enough to moisturize the hair. And you guys, lately I've started putting the coconut oil in my hair with my wash and goes, and I realized that it has made my hair so much thicker. But I don't put coconut oil on my scalp. Apparently it's not good for your scalp, but it is good for your hair. And then I'm gonna go in with my gel. I'm also gonna make sure the strands are coated. And I love this style because the ends of my hair also get curly, so it just looks super cute. So I'm gonna take this side down and basically do the exact same thing. You guys can clearly see a difference. This side is wet. Here is my middle part look. I mean, I don't have like a middle, but it is split down the middle like this, so it's still kind of like a middle part, but I'm still gonna go back to my side part. Maybe not. This is basically what it looks like. I am actually gonna let this dry, and I'll be back when it's done drying so you guys can kind of see how it spreads up or how it like softened. Yeah, this is the back. Alright, so it's pretty much dry. I did kind of like blow dry it just a little bit. It's not like fully 100% dry just yet. So obviously something is off, right you guys? What's missing? This and this. I'm gonna go in and lay my edges now. I am using the She Is Bomb Edge Control. edges are laid to the best of my current ability. And we could do a quick style. Let's see. I am really excited for them to like fluff out and, you know, get more volume. I also love the look of just like bringing everything, almost everything, to one side. Still got the definition. All right, you guys, so that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and notification bell. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next. Bye-bye.